I had mentioned 90-degree hoses, and someone had said, they had asked about it. They're like, wow, what kind of is that? You can buy hoses like this, ICT Billet and a lot of other places, LS swap hose, yeah, like exactly how you would blatantly summarize a search is how you would get these. So this is how you can get a nice, you usually come up through here and then you can buy these in different lengths. That's usually the price difference. You might be like, oh, this one's a better price. These are shorter ones because I knew I would be connecting in line, because these are always a pain. I tried to get that one off with a disconnect tool. It was being stubborn, and I said, okay, I'm gonna leave you the hell alone. So I got the shorter ones because I have inlines from, I bought whole packs of stuff previously for my wife's truck that we just did, well, not just did, but it's always good to have spare 2500 turbo parts resting in the wings. So yeah, I'm not going to film this. I'm just going to jam, probably cut these down to make them as short as possible and come up through the inside and back and interconnect them here. I think that pretty 2500, I went down and under and around, and I didn't like that. What a waste of running coolant, and why go past the turbo. And anywho, moving on. Quick update. I had the hood in the backyard completely covered in ice and snow. It was so heavy I could barely move it. There was like 8 inches of snow on top of the stupid thing. I almost couldn't find it. Hello, it can't focus on that? Is it mad at the lights? Either way, melting the hood. I have to put the hood on next. I let it run. I don't know if I showed that. I let it run for a long time. It took a long time to crack the stock thermostat. It just sat here like 200 degrees for, it felt like 30 minutes, but it was nice to warm the truck up too. So now I'm flashing in what I wanted to flash, and not just a, hi, I hope this works bass tune. And I'm turning on real-time tuning, and I'm gonna mess with the tuning at idle. It sounds like the fuel is off at idle, which is to be expected. So I'll fire it again, mess with the fueling, and then I'm going to move this thing once the hood's on. I even turned this guy down so water won't fill it, and put my little sewer grate on there to keep out the riffraff. Well, I got the hood and everything on. Pretty awesome, right? So I'm just gonna pull it outside, and we'll end off for tonight. Geez, listen to me. So I have other stuff to work on. My awesome Kia daily, the clutch went to the floor. I think it's just the master, but I'm replacing all of it, and even the factory hard line, because I bet that blows out next. Or possibly it has like 3 rubber sections. I bet one of those might be collapsed. I've blown out a bunch of this and swept it out over the days, but that's rust from the back of the truck, which I didn't even touch. It was all just coming out because the front was getting touched. Okay, hood closed, hood fits. Get this guy out of the way. Should be able to, I'm gonna pull it out into the backyard so I can do the clutch in the Kia without rolling all over this bay. Okay, let's drive it out there. Let's see how nice it starts and everything. Call the cops. MPVI 1s. All right, I made some changes when I flashed it. Where's the thing to move this? Oh, it's busted off. It's busted off. I got it. This thing was worked. This work truck was worked. I just got to get like put a screwdriver into that. So I changed, since it was running, changed a few things. Oh. Nice. It had to fail the speed density because of the flash. So, look at this. I mean, I've never had one of these in this thing. We will... So this is with the stock converter and transmission with that best cam. And it doesn't push through at all. I am barely touching those brakes. All right. Now that I can close this thing, let's... Getting over the lift hump. Power steering sucks on this thing. Probably needs a pump. Something, who knows. Let's blitz this thing through the woods or what? Am I even out of the garage? This thing is so long. I threw all the parts boxes into the back of it. I mean, what other way do you do it? I would love to rooster this thing all over, but it has the factory 1-bar map sensor in it. Factory 1-bar map stock injectors, 25 pounders. I will run out on a light rev. It probably uses 80% of the injector. Off of the building. Feels pretty crispy. Once you give it a nice 4K, that turbo spools down nice.